Welcome, everyone. For those of you who may be new, SEWP stands for Solutions for Enterprise-Wide Procurement. The initial SEWP I awards were made in 1993. SEWP II was awarded in 1996, then SEWP III in 2001, SEWP IV was awarded in 2007, and SEWP V in 2015. We will be transitioning to SEWP VI in the coming months. There are two resources for this training: this video and the associated slide deck. The first topic today is the scope of SEWP VI. As some of you know, SEWP is an information technology, communication, and audiovisual contract, otherwise known as ITC AV. Many of these types of product solutions are in scope and have been for about 25 years. As SEWP VI begins, there will be an increase in scope. And to answer the big question, yes, SEWP VI will include new in-scope products. You may be wondering what some of the new SEWP VI products are. A few exciting additions include Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance, ISR, Robotics, the Internet of Things, as well as law enforcement and national security equipment and technology. SEWP VI will also have certain X-ray and baggage inspection technology. None of the products just listed are currently available in SEWP V. Additionally, there will be many IT-related services. Detailed information regarding these IT services will be available on the new SEWP VI website after it's launched. Now to the contract layout. Those familiar with SEWP V know that groups A, B, C, and D all have defined NAICS codes, otherwise known as North American Industry Classification System codes. In SEWP V, the NAICS code for Group A is 334111, and for groups B, C, and D, the NAICS code is 541519. However, SEWP VI will change to categories. Category A will be very similar to SEWP V, but with the SEWP VI scope additions. Next is categories B and C. They're going to be for ITC AV services. They'll also include a small number of products necessary to accomplish those services, all of which fall under those two categories. Category B will be for enterprise-wide services, and Category C will be for mission-oriented services. It's important to note that in SEWP VI, customers will have the ability to select the appropriate NAICS code to see the small businesses that are available under that code. This is a change from SEWP V. SEWP VI is going to have many more NAICS codes available at the order level. The next slide will go into more detail on this topic. There will be 50 NAICS codes available for Category A requirements. The slide deck associated with this training includes the full list for each category. This is just to demonstrate that SEWP wants to give our customers the most flexibility possible when selecting the appropriate NAICS code for their purchase. There will be 28 NAICS codes available for categories B and C. As previously discussed, the new SEWP VI website will have additional details once it's live. In SEWP V, every contract type is firm, fixed price. But SEWP VI will include additional contract types. This means that customers will have more options and flexibility. The full list is available in the slide deck. Customers will be able to select their preferred contract types when they are using the Quote Request tool, known as the QRT, so that contract holders know their intended contract type. If a customer does not use the QRT, they can specify the contract type when they submit their order to SEWP. The next topic is small business availability. In SEWP VI, all three categories, A, B, and C, will have socioeconomic small business set-aside options. which include all options from SEWP V. It will also add veteran-owned small business options. Again, a complete list of small business set-asides is available in the slide deck. As an added improvement in SEWP VI, customers will have the option to ask contract holders to confirm their business designation and size when providing quotes in the Quote Request tool. SEWP follows the 5-year Small Business Recertification Schedule and will always show the current designation in the Contract Holder section on our website. In SEWP VI, the list of SEWP's product solutions will be called the SEWP Online Catalog. The entire SEWP website, including all contract holder and procurement information, pricing information within the SEWP Online Catalog, and all other applications, will be referred to as the SEWP Marketplace. Once contract holders are able to add the CLINs on contract, SEWP VI will debut its new SEWP Online Catalog. It will have enhanced capabilities for customers to review information about available providers, solutions, configuration details, pricing, and supply chain details. Additionally, customers will be able to complete micro purchases or quote requests directly from the SEWP Marketplace. One of the biggest advantages of SEWP is the ease and speed in which the program adds solutions to its contracts. SEWP is committed to maintaining our flexible approach. Contract holders can add new solutions to the contract daily. If a customer cannot locate a product or service in the SEWP Online Catalog that they would like pricing for, they can simply use the Quote Request tool to ask contract holders for quotes. In SEWP VI, strategic storefronts and BPAs will represent a strategic need by an agency or sub-agency to purchase a defined list of product solutions or services. Agencies will leverage these storefronts or BPAs for their strategic sourcing needs, so agency users have a defined set of solutions to order from for a specific agency need. Customers will be able to create storefronts and BPAs with unique requirements and special requests that meet the needs of their agency missions. You will be able to find storefronts and BPAs that are available to you directly from your personalized user dashboard upon logging in. Additionally, when you search in the SEWP Online Catalog, storefront and BPA filters will allow you to see the exact CLINs that are available to you. Customers that are interested in establishing a strategic storefront or BPA should contact help@sewp.nasa.gov to ask for assistance. The next topic for discussion is the non-manufacturer rule, otherwise known as NMR. In SEWP V, groups B, C, and D are all grandfathered under NAICS code 541519 because the interpretation of the rule changed after SEWP V started. In SEWP VI, the NMR will apply specifically to Category A. The SEWP website will provide details about existing waivers and those approved by the Small Business Administration for SEWP VI. In SEWP VI, there will be many more contract holders than currently are in SEWP V. SEWP V currently offers a full depth and breadth of companies from small to very large. SEWP VI will offer more contract holders that offer a full range of IT product solutions and IT services to all federal agencies. The full list of SEWP VI contract holders and their specific details will be located on the SEWP VI website. With all these enhancements, it was only fitting to redesign the SEWP website. As SEWP VI begins, a new website will launch that provides additional functionality and a new navigation system to enable users to quickly find the information they're looking for. The goal of the redesigned website is to provide users with the most functionality and flexibility to make their acquisition experience with SEWP fast and easy. The new website will also have a feedback tool if you'd like to reach out to the program about your experience. SEWP's Quote Request Tool, or QRT, will also be changing for SEWP VI. The QRT is the key application within SEWP that enables us to provide customers with the solutions they need at the speed they're needed. Just like the website, the application will undergo a substantial upgrade, update, and design change. If you're a customer, you will ask for quotes and have solutions added to the SEWP contract via the QRT. It will also allow you to review your quotes, post questions and answers, sort, review your quotes, and extend the request for quote, known as RFQ, if necessary. As this training comes to a close, there are a few miscellaneous items to review that will be helpful for you to know. These are the differences between SEWP V and SEWP VI that really don't fit on a whole slide. In SEWP VI, contract holders will be permitted to add a credit card fee to an order. SEWP will have the capability to on- and off-ramp contract holders. Dormant status will be added for contract holders. ISO 9001, Capability Maturity Model Integration Language, and Cybersecurity Supply Chain Risk Management Language will be included. Requirements related to Ability 1 as subcontractors will be included. The ordering contracting officer, known as the CO or KO, may approve or deny third-party payment platforms at the order level. Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification will be added as a verifiable option in the Quote Request tool. This concludes the overview video about the major differences between SEWP V and SEWP VI. If you have any questions, please contact SEWP's help desk via email at help@sewp.nasa.gov or by phone at 301-286-1478. As always, if you have any suggestions, you are welcome to reach out. Thank you.